search. The internet is there for you to search and Google and understand what you want and what it takes to get what you want. Thank you very much. Hello and welcome to my side of the internet. I am Camaa, the eccentric diva, and on this channel I talk about books, writing, self-publishing, sex and sex education. And today's video we are going to be talking about how much it costs me to publish these books. So the reason why I'm supposed to do just this one, but I did everything for both of them at the same time because I completed them at like almost at the same time. So by the time I was done writing and all that, I was just like, why don't I do it at the same time so I don't stress myself towards the end. In my last video, if you have not watched it, to be right here, go and watch it, how much it cost me to publish my first book. And with that one, I think I did some and not a lot because these days I am doing a lot, and I did not add the cost of marketing because marketing and promotion, it is continuous. So maybe towards the end of this year I might do like a video where I talk about, okay, how much I spent on marketing this year for the books, or for those books, or for my books in general, because I just started doing promotions. I used to do them just on Facebook though, but now I started using BookBob, Amazon ads, Facebook and Instagram ads, just to see how, you know, which one would work better for me. I've been seeing results because now I am getting sales on platforms I thought were dead. There's like Apple Books and Scribd, Smashwords. I've been seeing results, but not as much as I want to. And yeah, now let's get into the real talk for this video. Oh, lest I forget, if you have not subscribed and you're still watching, please, now is the time for you to subscribe. I'll really appreciate it, and thanks a lot. I think we've hit 100,000. What's with me at the number 100,000? But yeah, we've hit 1,000 subscribers. I am grateful. Thanks a lot for following me, for subscribing to news, gist information from me. And yeah, I'd love to hear from you. What would you like to see more on this channel? I'm thinking towards like weekly vlogs, then weekly how-to videos, and then like live streams and sprints over the weekend. But I'm still thinking. The only fixed stuff now is the live stream. So if you want to get productive, it doesn't matter whether you're a writer, a reader, whatsoever you're doing, you meet amazing and interesting people on my live sprints. It's a tight-knit community right now, so it's best to join before we become we're global now. Okay, time for serious business. These books actually. So it's going to be kind of tricky defining what happened and how much I spent, because I was spending both in Naira and in dollars. So I'm going to do the calculation and have it popping on the screen every like the last video. So I honestly don't know the total, but I've written down everything on my notes, and then we'll find out. While we find out, I don't mind if you drop in the comment section like what you think I spent on these books. I'll tell you, do you think they're more expensive, like creating them compared to my first book? So first things first was a book cover. Guess how much each of these covers cost me, because they are in a series and I wanted to do them at the same time. 75,000 Naira each. If you convert 75,000 Naira each, that's 150,000 Naira. If you convert that into dollars, this is going to be the currency right here. And this was how much I spent creating these covers as at 2020. That was when I like worked on this book and also published them. So 150,000 Naira, and that's in dollars. Yeah, and for the ISBN, I don't know what happened, but I needed to print out like the document and ship it over to them. So it cost me, normally it would have cost me 5,000 Naira, but for these two books I had to pay 10,000 to 12,000 Naira, but let's just fix that 10,000 Naira. So I paid 10,000 Naira for ISBN, which I have still not used for the Nigerian market, but yeah, I have it. I have them. I do. So anytime I feel like printing like paperbacks in Nigeria, I can happily and easily do them because I already have my ISBN with me. And if you want to find out how to get ISBN in Nigeria, I think I have a video for that. I'm going to add it. Yeah, I don't know where this thing is going to be, but it's going to be on top of the video. You can click on the link to watch it. The most important thing, editing. Now for editing, I spent roughly, because I had to edit it twice. The first, my main editor, the person that edited my first book, that's 9 hours till 5. This, where are you? Come on, everybody wants to see you. Come on, don't be shy. Right, you want to see? Yeah, this was the first book. So the editor who edited this book, I didn't give it to her on time when it was time to edit. So she told me, oh yeah, it's been booked, she doesn't have my time, and blah blah blah. I had to look for someone else to edit it, and by the time the person was done editing like the 2 document, the 2 drafts, it was not as good as like my first editor would have edited it. So I was like, no. And then I also wanted to give it to a publishing house to publish for me. Then at some point I was just like, you know what, you started this already, continue. Because I told the publishing house that I was going to like a vanity publishing house, so it was still kind of self-publishing, but they will handle every other thing for you. So I told them I wanted to use my covers and all that, and they were like, no, we control everything. And I noticed that most of their covers are actually covers with humans, and I love illustrations, I love like cartoons. I want people to be able to walk around in my books. These books are actually, they're teenagers friendly. Yeah, so like they're clean. This is mostly about friendship and romance, just, you know, basic, not like graphic description of sex scenes and all that. So it doesn't have, so yeah, teenagers can actually read the books. They're fun, laugh out loud, and yeah, it gets pretty emotional at some point. So I was talking about editing. Yeah, how did I get to that point? Okay, yeah, so I had to edit it the first time and then edit it the second time. So if you do the second time, I had to give it to my other my first editor A, and I also had to pay for that, and that was even after publishing this one, because I published this one in June and then I published this in December. So I had to give it to her. I would say I spent about 120,000 naira in total for editing. So if you convert that to naira, I mean, if you convert that to USD, then this would be the price over here. So next up will be printing. So like I said earlier, I didn't want to print it in Nigeria because of the cost. Like, I was planning my life and printing a book and leaving it in my house, and I'm still like, in quotes, and nobody, like, you're just finding out about me now, like literally just finding out about me now. And then I was like, you know what, I'm not going to print like I did. I'm just going to order off some copies on Amazon. You can reach out to me if you want like signed copies. Visit my website, mygotadetomay.com, Camaa.com, just my username.com, and order signed paperbacks from me. Thank you for supporting me, and I promise you're gonna enjoy the stories. So yeah, I decided to like buy 10 copies on demand for starters, and although I bought like multiple copies like going forward in the future, and I spent around $40. So let's just leave that $40 for that. And then I forgot proofs. I got 3 proofs. If you combine, I think I got 2 for this one, and then I got 1 for this one. So I have 3 proofs, and say I spent $15 on that. Not bad. I think that would be a summary of everything. And then with time, I've been, like I said, carrying out sponsored ads, marketing, give out free copies to bookstagrammers, read and review, drop an honest review. I did not include that in my course, but going forward, I'm including that in my future books, because we need to keep track of these things. It's a business and we need to treat it as such. If not, it will just be an hobby that, you know, we're just funding and breaking the banks for. So I'm offering quality, and I need to, present it as quality so that, place my book beside a book published by the five big publishers. Like, you won't even know the difference. That's the goal, and that's what I've been doing and I've been working towards. So that being said, the total for these books is yeah, I spent $638.33 to publish these two cuties right here as a self-published author. This is excluding the amount I have actually splurged on marketing them, which I'm still spending money on marketing them, and I'm like making a lot of mistakes along the way, but I'm learning a lot as well too. So that is that. And then if you do it like individually, how much I spent to publish both books, if you split it into, say, I spent $320 to publish each book. I think I need to make a video on if I've made money back on these books. Yeah, would you like to see the videos where I'm going to like have to run through my Amazon account and do all the mathematics of it? But yeah, let me know in the comment section. And yeah, how has publishing been for you? What are your plans? What are your goals? What do you like to see from this channel? That being said, thanks a lot for watching this video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button. Let me hear from you. Drop a comment, like this video, share, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Happy reading, happy writing.